Hey, this is Ayush and welcome to Fusion Recipes. Nowadays, it's getting very hot and we all are feeling thirsty all the time. So today we are going to make a refreshing drink. So let's make watermelon lemonade. Before starting the recipe, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss our new uploads. So first, I have taken one bowl of watermelon. I have removed the seeds from it and now I will add it in the blender. Now we will add lemon juice to it. Now I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar. You can add sugar as per your taste. Now I will blend it. You can see the color of the juice. It's looking very beautiful. And now I will add a pinch of salt to it. Now I will blend it again. Now I have taken 2 glasses and now I will add some mint leaves and some pieces of lemon. Now I will add some pieces of watermelon. As we are making watermelon lemonade, I will add some soda. We will add our watermelon juice. So our watermelon lemonade is ready. It's very cool and refreshing. Do try this and let me know your comments in the comment section below. And if you like this recipe, do like the video and share it with your friends and family.